What's up, dog?
Just lead.
How you?
Play for each other. Together, 1, 2, 3.
All at the same time. Let's get a good start. Come on.
Right, man.
Gordon averaging 12 a game with a nice drive off that baseline.
Sit, Trey, sit. Right there, good. Good, nice. Hey, really good start, right? Couple things we got to clean up is the rebounding, and we got to get back in transition.
Nikhil holding his ground, took it away, held his ground.
Okay, get the ball moving from side to side and make these guys defend.
Reddish is in, and that's good from 3.
Fly up the floor. Make plays for each other.
Quickly, Josh Maxey pointed to the floor.
Hey, you're a bad man. You're a bad man for that one.
When you said it, don't stop. Real, ain't gonna put pressure on him.
This comes off the Clark screen. Has he laid it up lefty and good.
Keep on holding each other accountable. Keep on playing for each other. This is our game. Come on. Together, 1, 2, 3.